Tom recorded the times in seconds some boys took to complete an obstacle course. Here is the box plot of results. So we can see that the lowest time was 95 seconds. The lower quartile was 103 seconds. The median was 115. The upper quartile was 120. And the biggest time was 136. Tom also recorded the times for some girls to complete the obstacle course, and here are the times in seconds for the girls. So I could find similar values from this set of information, and that will allow me to compare the distributions. So first of all, let's find the median. So straight away, obviously the median is the middle number, so the middle of all of these numbers here is the 112. The way they've set this up for me is quite useful because straight away they're all in order, which is useful. I don't need to rewrite it. And I can see that all of these numbers here are below this and all of these numbers here are above this. So 112 is the median. That's nice and simple. So I can say the girls were quicker on average because they had a shorter or a lower median. They had a median of 112, the boys' average was 115, so the girls were lower on average. So that's going to get me some of the marks. We also need to talk about who was the most consistent. Were the boys more consistent or were the girls? To do that, we need to look at the interquartile range. The interquartile range for the boys is going to be the upper quartile, which is 120, take away the lower quartile, which is 103. So the interquartile range for the boys is 17. For the girls, we have to work that out from this information here. The lower quartile is the quarter value, or half of the first half, if you like. So we've already got these values here, which we know are the first half, the 99, 101, 103, 106, 108, 109, 110, 110, 111. What's in the middle of those numbers? So if I just go cancel, 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 cancel. And there we go. I can see 108 is the lower quartile. And by the same logic below, I can see that the upper quartile is going to be 117. Excuse me. Because this is the 3/4 mark, the middle of the top half. So the interquartile range for the girls is 117, take away 108, which is 9. So the interquartile range for the girls is smaller than the boys, so the girls were more consistent. Their results were less spread out because the interquartile range was smaller. And there we go.